Welcome to Excel functions and formulas. In previous lecture, we have seen on if condition and we have tested the two condition test, whether the score 1 is greater than score 2. If the condition is true, then we have given a statement to be displayed. Score 1 is greater. The same way, suppose the condition is false, the logical test condition is false, it will display the statement called score 2 is greater. Now, in this condition, we do a 3 condition test. We'll be adding an extra condition. We'll be adding an extra conditional test that we'll be doing is nothing but equal to. Right? So we'll be doing the equal to conditions. So let us get into the cell G7. I put shift down arrow key and I press equal to, then I type if condition. Then I press tab. The 3 argument will come up. Now we have to test the same thing, whether the score 1 is greater than score 2. Now I press the left arrow key and I'll be selecting this cell called cell B7. B7 is greater than C7, right? Then comma and value, if it is true, I will be typing score 1 is greater. Score 1 is greater. Then if the condition is false, I will not type any statement. I will just once again insert the if condition into it. So once again, I will be inserting the if condition into it. So this type of inserting the condition within the another condition is called nested functions, right? So now once again, we'll be doing a logical test. The logical test is nothing but I'll be testing whether the value in score 1 is equal to score 2. So I'll be once again selecting the same cell. B7 is equal to C7. If it is true, so I should require the statement to be displayed is nothing but both are equal. Both are equal. If the condition is false, I require the if statement to display the statement that score 2 is smaller. Score 2 is smaller. Then I close the bracket. Right? So once again I close the bracket. Then I type Control Enter. So automatically the value will be getting displayed. Now we'll be testing the condition on both are equal. I just click this and go to evaluate formula and we will be seeing how Excel operates the formula individually. Now when we get into the if condition part, now cursor is on B15. The cursor is on B15. So B15 is nothing but the value is 22. So B15. Excel will take the value in the cell B15, which is 22. It will take 22 value. And now the cursor is shifted to C15 and the value is 22. Now it will test whether 22 is greater than 22. It is false. So the result will, the value written is false. Right? Now the false value, it will return the false value and that will be triggered. Right? So in this we have not given any statement. We have once again given a if condition in the return value of false. So once again it will test the condition within the condition, right? So now and once again the mouse, the cursor shifts to B15. Now B15 value is same thing, 22. It will take the value as 22. Then once again it will take the value as 22. 22 is equal to 22. It will return as true. Now the if condition will return the value true, and the second argument where the value is true, this statement will be triggered out. So once I do evaluate, automatically it says that both are equal. So this statement will be displayed over here. So this is a typical example of your nested function.